Transform in weeks. Build muscle fast. Want to transform your physique? Building muscle is a journey that requires dedication, the right approach, and patience. Discover what it really takes to achieve your desired results. The muscle building process involves breaking down muscle fibers during workouts and allowing them to repair and grow stronger. This cycle hinges on several factors, including nutrition, workout routine, and recovery. Genetics play a significant role in muscle growth, influencing how quickly and effectively your body can build muscle. Some individuals may gain muscle more easily due to their genetic predispositions. A balanced diet rich in protein and calories is essential for muscle growth. Protein provides the building blocks for muscle repair, while sufficient calories ensure your body has the energy to grow. Strength training is crucial for muscle development as it stimulates muscle fibers to grow. Incorporating a variety of exercises targeting different muscle groups helps create a well-rounded and effective workout routine. Building muscle requires consistency. Regular workouts ensure continuous progress and adaptation. Skipping sessions can hinder growth, so it's essential to stick with a routine to achieve desired results. Rest and recovery are vital for muscle growth. Muscles need time to repair and strengthen after workouts. Ensuring adequate sleep and rest days prevents overtraining and promotes optimal gains. Beginners often see initial gains within the first few months. These rapid changes are due to the body's adaptation to new stressors. This period boosts motivation and sets the stage for future growth. Intermediates can expect a steadier pace of muscle building. After the initial adaptation phase, progress slows but remains consistent with dedication. Patience and persistence are key to continuing development. Advanced trainers may experience plateaus as their bodies adapt. Overcoming these requires varied routines and advanced techniques. Progress becomes more about refining and maintaining muscle rather than rapid growth. Setting realistic goals is essential to avoid frustration. Aim for a gain of 1-2 pounds of muscle per month. Patience and dedication are crucial for sustainable, long-term muscle growth. Supplements like protein powder, creatine, and branched-chain amino acids can enhance muscle growth. However, they should complement a balanced diet, not replace it. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any supplement. Common pitfalls include overtraining and neglecting proper form. Many overlook the importance of rest and nutrition, both crucial for muscle development. Avoid these mistakes to maximize your results. Tracking progress keeps motivation high and helps identify what's working. Take regular measurements, photos, and note strength gains to see tangible results. Adjust your plan based on your progress. Fitness experts emphasize the value of consistency and proper technique. Renowned trainers advocate for personalized programs that address individual needs. Remember, expert guidance can significantly boost your muscle-building journey. Many believe lifting heavy weights alone guarantees muscle growth. In reality, a balanced routine and proper nutrition are equally critical. Consistent effort and dedication, rather than quick fixes, yield lasting results. Men and women can both build muscle effectively, though hormonal differences might influence the rate of growth. Women tend to gain muscle at a slower pace due to lower testosterone levels. Aging doesn't halt muscle building potential, but it can slow recovery and require adjustments in training intensity. With the right approach, muscle growth is achievable at any stage of life. Understanding these factors helps set realistic expectations. Patience and persistence are key to navigating the muscle-building journey successfully. Consistent effort will eventually lead to noticeable, satisfying progress. Embark on your transformation today. Commit to a plan that balances exercise, nutrition, and recovery. Your dedication will pave the way for a stronger, healthier you. Start your journey now.